Welcome back to another video. Now, today, this is really exciting, but hold on. I don't want to spoil it. You're just gonna have to see for yourself. We got a bird. That's the tail right there. Right there. So let's see if we can get a good shot on this guy. What? Are you making your lunch tomorrow? Yes. Alright. Let's see if we can get a shot on this guy. Look at him. Look at him. He's so cute. I'm gonna see. Oh, is he hungry? Dude, why don't you ever come out of there? I just wanna hold you.
Did you know?
I wanted to.
No, it's not your bird yet.
Well, we're sharing them.
Well, not really until I get mine. Come on, Papa.
His name is Sam.
Gotta let go, dude.
No, Dixie.
Dixie out. Look.
Out.
She just ate a cupcake.
And it's chocolate
Look.
too.
Look what I got. Better get out. It's gonna get you.
It's gonna get you.
Go. Now.
Lay down. So yeah, that is Sam. Can I hold him?
Don't bite me.
This is Sam, and he bites. Looks like Skidder might fly. Luckily, we don't have a ceiling fan here. Oh, he bit me. He's a feisty little guy. He's so cute. So he can't fly yet, so he can't really get up there in his little coconut.
You want in your coconut?
You want to get in your
Look.
coconut?
Ow, you brat. Stop worrying about biting my pinky. You want your coconut? Look.
You got your coconut.
Stop paying
That
attention.
is a real coconut.
Look, you want your coconut? Coconut. Here, you want your coconut? Fine.
He doesn't want to get in this coconut. The screen just went a little bit dark. I don't know what the next video will be yet. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on our new bird.
Did you spill something?
Yes.
Did you pick the glass up?
Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on our new bird. So, yeah. Bye.